41 snowmobile teams are racing around the Big Land on Cain's Quest 2018.
The way the race works is teams can choose any path from checkpoint to checkpoint, and they're going to use some strategy to pick a different direction.
The beauty of Cain's Quest is that you are somewhat free. Labrador is a very unique place where you can snowmobile in the backcountry and be free, and we like to keep it that way. I think for the most part, CQ, when you launch into oblivion like that in those areas, the boys band together and they make sure nobody gets left in the woods. It's kind of an unwritten thing, but nobody gets left behind.
Not mine, I'm gonna sugarcoat it. We beat the hell out of those.
Tomorrow afternoon, you're gonna hate it.
Really? Yeah. What is it? Just rough, slow?
Up and down,
Up and down, top snow, a lot of snow.
Time to simmer down.
Hours to simmer.
We got 2 years.
Dave called
2 years. We'll get it figured out.
We got 2 years. We're good.
We're gonna come back and I'm gonna ride next year and then we'll. Yeah. I can't go out like this. There's no way.
No, I don't know. I would come back. I mean, we learned all the time. I mean, it's something that you need to really prepare for. Not that we didn't prepare, we just didn't know how much and to what extent. So I think I'd come back with, a different, I don't know if I would, just with, a different game plan, I guess. You need a lot more support than we had. And we had some fuel that was hidden and we didn't exactly know where it was. The guys that were going to the same spot, they hadn't been there yet, so we were sort of just trying to make our way to it. There was no tracks to follow, so we were basically just trying to find our way, which obviously was, once again, when you don't know the land, it's an issue, especially when you're trying to break your own trail.
All right, boys, let's load some snowmobiles up.
Good.
The missus has food for everybody.
Awesome. Can't wait to eat.
We can eat, and then we can figure out our game plan.
Okay. Just a little bit of miscalculations riding the sleds without this weight. Maybe underestimating how rough some of the trails were, and then also underestimating the speeds that me and I thought were acceptable to go through the rough stuff. So shocks were a little soft, and that caused a lot of things to move and a lot of things to bend too much. And we started wearing shocks out, and then when shocks get fade, springs get overworked, and then they get fatigued. And we ended up having a spring let go, and it went through the track and ripped the track in half. So kind of dead in the water there, not doing a track jack shaft overhaul in the bush. And yeah, so we made the decision kind of in between Sale and Border Beacon to head back. And it was like we were racers. No, we're not quitting. Let's keep going. We're like, the sled's not right at all, and I don't think it's going to make it, and we're going to no man's land. No, we're not quitting. So we fought that. But anyway, we went with our guts and kind of turned around and thought maybe we'll make a change on the trail back by Sale, and lo and behold, the thing broke, and it's kind of unrepairable. So I guess we made the right call. We're not stuck up in the middle of the bush. But, you know, no fault of anyone. The sled was awesome, is awesome. I mean, the guys built a great sled, and everything is really, really good. Just, I think we're a little bit more educated now, so we can tune it in the way we need it to be, and for our riding, and ride at the speed that we want to ride at, which I think will make us competitive. We learned a ton. It sounds like the preparation and planning has already began for 2020, so
you're going to come back?
We're not going out this way. There is not a chance I'm hanging it up on this note.